Hello, this is David at Bucks Country Gardens. I want to talk to you this morning about our planting guide and warranty. This is available on our website. We also have it in copy form. It goes over our whole planting procedure for putting trees and shrubs and perennials in the ground. The two products that I recommend for enhancing our guarantee, which pushes it up to 24 months, is the Organic Soil Builder, which is bumper crop, which you would add into the soil when you're planting any new shrubs or trees or anything like that. And that's got chicken manure, horse manure, dried blood, seaweed, kelp. It's an organic soil builder. It's going to help the plants to root into the ground and give them a really good start. The other product that we recommend on our planting guide and warranty is the Biotone starter fertilizer. That's got mycorrhizae in it, which is organic. Both of these products are organic. That's going to help your plants to root quicker into the ground and help with transplant shock. Again, if you have any further questions, you can go on our website. You can also call the store. We do curbside pickup and we will answer any of your questions that you have.